This video will show you how to add liquidity for the million token pair USDC and stake the million token liquidity to earn quick for massive DeFi yields. In your web browser search bar type quickswap.exchange. Click on Connect to a wallet. Click on MetaMask. Enter your MetaMask password, then click on Unlock. Click on Pool. Click on Add Liquidity. Click on MATIC. Under search name or paste address type million. Click on Click on Selected Token. Under search name or paste address type USDC. Click on USDC. Click on Max or enter the amount in USDC that you want to provide for liquidity. Click on Supply. Click on Confirm Supply. Click on Confirm. Click on Close. You added liquidity for the USDC pair. This second part of the video will show you how to stake the million token liquidity to earn quick for massive DeFi yields. Over the cursor on Farms. Click on LP Mining. Under search name or symbol type Click on Deposit. Click on Deposit Quick V2 LP tokens. Click on Max or enter the amount you want to stake. Click on Approve. Click on Sign. Click on Deposit. Click on Confirm. You staked your million token liquidity to earn quick.